gorgeous boy. You gorgeous boy.
Meow.
Mummy's big boy. Yeah? You're mummy's beautiful boy, aren't you? Yeah. Do you want some more foodies? Yeah, you do, don't you? You gorgeous boy. Mummy's pretty boy. You don't want to talk anymore. You want Mummy to shut up? Yeah? Yeah, enough.
That's enough.
Gorgeous boy. Oh, 6.2. Oh, it's a rollover, lovely.
And once the X-ray is taken, it takes about 15 minutes to process. Here he comes. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is a thing of beauty, isn't it? You know, it sort of takes me back to A-level biology days where you do a dissection of a plant or a flower and you draw all these little bits, and there you've got it right in front of you.
Biscuit in there.
For real. In the stem, the internal workings of the daffodil show up.
He's stood on it and trying to lift it up at the same time.
Tubes, which are the transport system of the plant that move food and water around. And the delicacy, I think, as well. Just if the you know the petals are really thin and fine, but when you see them like this, they just look as thin as tissue paper, don't they?
It's funny because it's a two-dimensional picture, right? But it looks so three-dimensional. It's like you're going in one side, through the centre, and back out the back.
This is good enough with the nose.
Can I dish, please?
Oh boy.
All the barricades, did you?
Did you know that Charlie never had a stitch?
Yes.
Well, hang on. Ow!
People don't talk about each other like you think.
Wonder she isn't bothered after Sutherland.
Life's not such hot gossip as you think.
It's really stupid to not even get a chance to apologise then and go there.
Right, swallow your pride. Tell Michael you want to stay, okay? You might be able to sort something out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he rates you. We all do. Just do yourself and us a favour.